What's up guys, welcome back to another video here on this my channel. And if this is your first time here, please kindly subscribe to my channel because I produce weekly content based around video editing and motion graphics and of course videography. So in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through on how to use Adobe Premiere Clip. So this is a full tutorial on how to use this particular free video editing app for Android device. So if you are interested in video editing, you might want to watch this to the end because this is a free video editing app. No watermark, no shading, nothing. Okay, so this is a free watermark software, and you don't have to pay for anything. Okay, so I recommend you use this app if you're just starting out on video editing. And also, this is my video. I want to give a shout out to Mofuz for featuring me on his channel, and of course this video is a full course. So first thing you want to do when you open your Adobe Premiere Clip is you want to go to the project and go to the preferences right here, and then set the resolution to the highest resolution your video can get. Okay, but mine is HD 720p, so I can't go higher than that. You can see this right here. So you want to make sure this right here is disabled and this also is disabled, and make sure it's disabled. Don't turn this on. Okay, if you turn this on, when you export your video, you're going to see this first before your video starts. So make sure this is disabled. So after you're done with your video settings and you want to go back to your project, here in this community videos, when your internet is on, you're going to see videos of other people. So here is where you're going to see your videos where you published, if you want to publish it. But if you want to upload it on YouTube, well, here is what you're going to do. First, you go to this, you click this little plus button down here, and it's going to pop up just like this. Okay, so if you have any video in your Dropbox or your Google Drive or whatever you want to use to get your video from, you can use it. But me, I'm going to get my video from my device. And if you want to record your video directly, okay, you can use the camera. Here I'm going to get my video from my camera, from my library, which I'm going to look for right now. And here is the video, and I'm just gonna go ahead and select one. And here is the part that you want to click on this freeform, because if you click on the automatic, you're going to you won't have a flexible, you don't have a flexible editing process. Okay, so go for the freeform, okay, which you're going to have full manual control over your editing. Okay, so I'm gonna click that right now, and boom, I'm done. So this is what you're going to see next. You're going to see this screen right here, which you are going to edit your videos in. Okay, so this is unlike other video editing app. I know it's very different from KineMaster and Power Director and other powerful video editing apps for Android, but nevertheless, this is the best video editing app I've seen for free. Okay, this hands down the best. Okay, and very soon I'll be doing another video tutorial on Adobe Rush. That is also a Adobe free video editing app for Android. So first thing you want to do right here is you want to click your video and see. You can see my video is playing. So if you want to trim, you just want to click this place and boom, right to the spot you want. Okay, so if the video plays up to this spot, it's going to it's going to stop. So if you want to add more videos to this, what you're going to do, you're going to click here and go back to your gallery and select, which I'm going to do now. I'm just going to select a picture. Let me just select a picture. Alright, boom, I'm gonna click done, and boom, this is gonna be the second frame. Okay, So when you're editing with this app, you want to just think as if you are doing a stop motion animation, because this is unlike other video editing software. It's just it's frames by frame. Like you can see, we have the first frame, which is the first video I picked, and the second frame, which is this picture right here. So when you're done trimming and all of that, you want to color grade or whatever, you're just going to go right to this place and have a bunch of cool preset right here which you can choose from, and etc. So that's for the color grading process. I'm not gonna go too deep about that. I'm just gonna show you. It's really intuitive to use, and here is if you want to duplicate your layer, or if you want to trim a playhead, which which is very recommended when editing video. So you're gonna click it here. It's going to split. You can see I have double frames of this picture because I split at that playhead. So right now I'm going to move on to the next one, which is adding your audio. You can see it's intuitive. You can see everything you want to add, and I'm just going to add this right here, and boom, you're going to see this here is really easy to use. Just forget about all of this stuff right here. It's going to make you feel discouraged, you don't understand what they are saying or whatever they are writing. But just make sure all of this is out of your mind. Just make sure you don't even think about this, because it's nothing. So this is just fade in your audio, and this fade out. So you want to turn this on, you turn it on. If you want to turn it off, you turn it off. And if you want this, you can see there are even instructions down here. Okay, so it will be very easy for you guys to use. So if you want to hide the volume of the music, here you can hide, and all of that. Okay, so boom, that's that for that. If you want to replace, you want to delete, you want to start at here, okay, it's really easy to use. So boom, that's that. So I'm gonna move on to the settings, which is fade in black format. The fade in, you can see, if you want your video to fade in from the starting make sure you turn this on. If you want it to fade out when it's going to the end of the video, you want to turn this on. If you want video to fade in and also fade out, turn this both on. And if you want crossfade transition, this does not have transition, so this is a transition. Okay, right here, crossfade transition. If you want it crossfade between clips, blah, you can turn this on, and make sure this is always turned off, because when this is turned on, when you export your video, you are going to see Adobe motion picture or something like that before your actual video gets to play. So I recommend you turn this off, and also turn this off. You don't want any fucking watermark on your video, so make sure you turn this off. Alright, that's that for that. And I've covered every single part you need to know, and this here is for exposure and highlight, shadow, and all of that. So I've covered all of the parts you need to know. And if this video was really helpful to you, please kindly hit the red subscribe button down below, and turn on the bell notification if this is your first time here on this channel. And for the exporting part on this process, if you're done with your video and you want to export, you just want to click this share button here and save to gallery. Boom, here we go, our video is saving, and I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to save this. Boom, when our video is done, we just go and it will just go over to our gallery and then export. Right here, what you can see, you are seeing my project panel, which I'm gonna click now, and it's going to open up. This is the sweet spot about this app. You can save your project normal as you can save others. Okay, this is really good, and hands down the best free video editing app I've seen, so I recommend you go check this out. It's really easy to use, and if this video was helpful, please make sure you click the red subscribe button and like this video, okay, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any video from me. Okay, alright guys, I'll see you next